So many people are calling for Ethereum and Bitcoin to take a dip back lower to the downside. However, I don't think that's going to happen. And in today's Ethereum update, we're going to look at some Ethereum chart analysis as well as Bitcoin chart analysis to see a breakout that's happening right now that I think is going to send us back in a bullish direction. Hello guys, and welcome to the House of Crypto. I make videos about Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like as well as subscribe button to be kept up to date with how to make money in Ethereum, as well as be kept up with all of the latest Ethereum news and updates. Without further ado then, let's jump in to the Ethereum charts for today. Now guys, what we're looking at here is Ethereum US dollar on the 1 hour chart, and what you can see is between these two key areas at the 2,530 as well as down at the 2,451, we have been forming this range pattern here. And what we had yesterday was this diamond pattern where we came up and we had a high at around the $2,698 level, where we perfectly to the dollar hit the Fibonacci retracement and then saw this bounce back down. But what we are seeing, which is key, in the past we saw that this provided us with a bit of resistance not only here and also here as well, but we have now flipped that into support. Okay, so we come over the top and we've turned this into support 1, 2, and 3 times here, okay, which is really, really exciting. Now, obviously, in terms of the Ethereum price, the key level that we really need to break above is at this level at around the $2,530 level for us to perhaps see a further push back towards the upside and another re-challenge of this area at around the $2,690 level, which is obviously our key area of our Fibonacci retracement. And there's something happening over on the Bitcoin chart. And as we know, Ethereum does follow very closely with Bitcoin. Obviously, we've seen Bitcoin cooling off, and that caused us to have this drop back down from around the $2,500 level all the way back down to 2,450. But let's jump over to the Bitcoin chart and see what's going on there. Now guys, what I'm seeing on the Bitcoin chart on the 1 hour again is we did have this sort of falling wedge pattern, and we are currently breaking out of that pattern. Now obviously I want to draw your attention to this as well as these lines on the bottom where we were faked out of this pattern. So you know, it can always happen unless we have a close outside. At the moment we need to find some sort of push back up towards the sort of $39,000 level where we could have a close outside, and that in my mind would see us then push back towards a higher level. Now a push out of that level would then see this breakout pattern confirmed, which would see us then push back towards this sort of $39,200 level, which I get it is not a huge move from where we are now. But if you see this orange horizontal line that runs across here, this is pretty much in line as well with the Ethereum line that we've just been looking at, where in the past we saw this act as resistance, resistance again, broke through, turned it into support, support again, support for a while, and then flipped into resistance. So ultimately this is a key line for us. If we fail to break this line on both Ethereum and Bitcoin, then in my mind we are going to be pushing back down to a lower level. However, at the moment we are seeing this breakout on Bitcoin, we are seeing Ethereum looking much more bullish. So in my mind, until proven otherwise, I'm still believing that we are going to have a push back up to the upside. Obviously, I could be wrong. Obviously, go away and do your own research. Don't invest more money than you can afford to lose, because you can obviously lose money trading cryptocurrency. But from a personal standpoint, the way I see things is that we are pushing higher. And I'm sort of reading in the messages as well, the comments on my channel as well as other comments on other channels. There's a lot of negative talk at the moment with regards to the prices expecting to push lower. I'm going to buy at $1,000. I'm going to buy at sub $2,000. You know, the last time I saw is the information coming out, it does tend to mean that actually we are going to push back towards the upside, because the market does tend to do the opposite of what the masses are talking about. Okay, so do pay attention to what people are talking about. Think about being fearful when others are being greedy, and being greedy when other people are being fearful. Just a really quick update on Ethereum and Bitcoin today, guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you think is going to play out for both of these cryptocurrencies. If you got any value out of today's video at all, please smash that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm to deliver this content to more people. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't already subscribed and you hold Ethereum or are interested in Ethereum or Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You can always unsubscribe at another date if you don't enjoy it. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I will see you again tomorrow with another video. Bye-bye.